Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to speak about a topic called additive manufacturing. First point, I will clarify that why I choose an additive manufacturing. Today it is so important and also confirm question that whether you are a design or a manufacturing engineer or working in a automobile or aerospace, this question they ask for sure. Then if so, what are all the topics I am going to discuss today? Yes, what is additive manufacturing and how it will work, and also how it is different from conventional or a present manufacturing, and what are all the different materials used and advantages with latest applications. I'm going to speak about all these topics today. Since our team is associated with many industry expertise and also consultants, we will share their thoughts through our channel. It is the course offered by Tata Technologies in COVID-19. I am going to share the same content what they have shared. Okay, let's start the video. First, we will understand the meaning of additive manufacturing. Additive means addition. Manufacturing is the process of converting the raw material into finished products. So now you got the meaning right. Yes, it is the addition of layers by layers and converting the raw material into finished products. So now we will understand how it will work. It will take on 4 basic steps. Yes, then what are those 4 basic steps? First step is creation of a CAD model by using design and analysis. In this step, design engineer will design and analyze the 3D model of the required product. The next step is conversion of the 3D model into STL format. In this step involves conversion of 3D data into STL format, because the 3D printing machine only read STL format data. So it is important to convert the 3D model into STL file. Then additive manufacturing machine involves mainly two systems. The one is metal injector and other one is a metal powder bed. So the third step involves the machine will read the STL data. Here the injector will have 3-point support tool which will read X, Y and Z coordination data and send to the metal and alloy powder mixture cabin. Then it will mix and feed to the injector nozzle, which is protected by inert gas shield. The fourth step is metal bed preparation. It is the final step of the additive manufacturing technique. It involves spreading of the metal powder layer by layer, and by using laser beam it will melt and fuse the powder together to create the required part. The melted part become fused and come out with the finished product. The unsaved powder is removed during the post processing, and also it is recycled during the next build. So next you might be thinking that how additive manufacturing will differ from the ordinary machining process. In current machining process, what we do is we take a bulk material and start removing with the machining operations like lathe, drilling, milling, etc. and also join by using welding process. But in additive manufacturing will take all in one step. It will create a 3D model at a time with no additional joining like welding, milling, lathe operations is required. So what are all the materials used for additive manufacturing? There is widely materials will be used. In that important materials I am listing out here the plastics. In that thermoplastic will be widely useful, and also metals, ceramics and also biochemical will be used. It is based on the required applications. Next we will have a look what are all the applications in which area it is widely using. Additive manufacturing can widely used in aerospace to create a structural parts, and also in automobiles, in rear wings, in formula cars it is used, and many healthcare devices also designed by using additive which is cannot be produced by machining operations can easily produced in additive manufacturing. And also it is a time saving technique because all operations will be taking at a time, so it is a time saving process, and also it is a weight saving process. So I think I have shared all the important information with you guys. If you have any doubts, please do comment. I will answer you guys. So I hope you guys liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also you can watch my other videos. Here is the link. Please do watch, and also you can join me in WhatsApp and Telegram group. The link will be in descriptions. Thank you for watching.